Good morning, welcome to not so sunny Dorset in England. Today's video is on one of the current projects we have on the go. It's a 1967 Westphalia SA42 split screen, imported from Nebraska, USA. It was used as an X-ray and EKG machine, so the interior was removed. But we sourced a good second-hand SA42 interior to restore, to put back into it. The vehicle itself's had some metalwork done, lower panels, but it's pretty solid really for a northern import from America, which is not the driest state. So it's had some corners, outer seals, but pretty good, better than an English van. It's got a few dents and stuff, but the top's pretty much original paint, original pearl white. The underside we've sandblasted. I'll get a better shot on this side. Sandblasted, easy to say. Sandblasted and had it raptored and then painted in the correct colour. The axle, as you can see, I've stripped out, welded in adjusters, and powder coated all the arms. Got the King of link pins at the engineers being rebuilt, and new link pins etc. be going on. Disc brakes will be going on it as well. The rear axle is absolutely it's rubbish. So we've had a big nut trans rebuilt. I don't know if you can see it, and it's a bit dark. Rebuilt by cog box. It's totally gone through, and it's just going to have a 1600 in it with twin carburetors. There we go. What we'll do is update you over the next few weeks every time we're working on adding bits to it, get it on the ground, show you the ride height. Obviously it's got some safaris in, some creative safaris. I've just got to finish, put the catches on and put the one-eyed duck and the motor in it. Got a new loom being made. Headlights, brand new headlights, etc. Trying to keep it as patinaed as possible, so we've got the louvered windows going back in. New canvas, everything inside will be all nice, so nice upholstery, rebuilt interior, new steering wheel. As you can see, it's all painted in there nice. Should be a really nice looking van when it's done. One of my favourite years is 67. Yeah, factory 12 volt. All the later parts, so it drives half decent for a split screen. There's the wheels, they're pearl white and two-tone like a grey. There we go. Best cover it back up. Let's get out of the moisture in this horrible day. Thanks for looking at the video. Keep your eyes peeled for the next one.